Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Warren County, western Clinton County, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:44 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Kings Island, moving east at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Mason, Lebanon, Blanchester, Morrow, South Lebanon, Maineville, Clarksville, Butlerville, Pleasant Plain, Oregonia, Murdock, State Route 123 at State Route 132, Hageman, Fort Ancient, Kings Mills, Middleboro, State Route 350 at U.S. Route 22, and Kingman. This includes I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 26 and 45.
Music West 97.7 and 106.7, The Oasis.